Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever imagined a world without income taxes? One of the biggest expense every worker has is the income tax that they pay out of their paychecks they get every single time. A recent proposal to remove taxes on tips has sparked a heated discussion, but could it be just the tip of the iceberg? What if, instead of relying on income taxes, the government shifted its focus to tariffs? Could this truly redefine the way we think about taxation? As we already know, newly elected President Trump and Elon Musk have been hard at work making sure they can trim unnecessary expenses from the government bodies using the newly formed Department DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency. You might have seen Lil X, Elon Musk's 4-year-old little son who is always accompanying him whether he's in the White House Oval Office, cabinet meetings, or rocket launching at SpaceX. Isn't that super interesting? Write down your thoughts or comments. What do you think about these cute moments? In addition, President Trump talks about the tariffs. I've decided for purposes of fairness that I will charge a reciprocal tariff, Trump said in the Oval Office at the proclamation signing. It's fair to all. No other country can complain. Trump's Republican administration has insisted that its new tariffs would equalize the ability of U.S. and foreign manufacturers to compete, though under current law these new taxes would likely be paid by American consumers and businesses either directly or in the form of higher prices. With having a plan in the pipeline for reducing taxes, how awesome that sounds. At first glance, the idea sounds incredibly appealing. No more federal income tax deductions, more money in your pocket, and financial relief for countless Americans. But is the concept as simple as it seems? Today, we're diving deep to explore the potential benefits, challenges, and ripple effects of this bold tax reform. What could be the immediate effects? Keeping more of your earnings, does it mean? For millions of individuals who rely on tips for their income, removing taxes on tips could be a major financial boost. In an era where many workers struggle to make ends meet, particularly with the increasing cost of living, this change could significantly improve their financial well-being. The policy has gained attention in key states where service industry jobs dominate the workforce. However, while this initiative is winning support, many are questioning how it would be implemented, who would benefit the most, and whether it could lead to unintended economic consequences. Now there is a broader economic shift. Could tariffs replace income taxes? Eliminating taxes on tips may be just one piece of a larger plan. Some propose a radical shift, replacing income taxes with tariffs. This idea is inspired by a period in the late 19th century when tariffs were the primary source of government revenue. But could such a system function in today's complex global economy? The numbers present a challenge. Federal income taxes generate around $2.4 trillion annually. Tariffs currently contribute only a small percentage of federal revenue. For tariffs to replace income taxes entirely, import duties would have to rise significantly, possibly causing the price of essential goods such as food, clothing, and electronics to skyrocket. While your paycheck might appear larger, the cost of daily necessities could climb, negating any financial gains. There could be potential economic disruptions, price inflation, trade conflicts, and job losses. Let's talk about that. A shift to tariffs could have widespread economic consequences. Higher tariffs could trigger trade disputes, prompting other nations to impose taxes on U.S. exports in response. Industries such as manufacturing and agriculture could suffer, leading to job losses and economic instability. Lower-income households might face increased financial strain, as they typically allocate a larger portion of their income toward necessities. A tax system focused on consumption, through tariffs or sales taxes, could disproportionately affect those with lower earnings. Do not forget the workforce implications. Restructuring employee compensation could have impact. Let's talk about it in more details. If income taxes were eliminated, businesses might reconsider how they compensate employees. Some companies might opt to provide additional perks or bonuses rather than higher base salaries, offering workers more flexibility in their earning structure. However, this shift could also result in companies reducing base pay to offset expenses, leaving employees uncertain about their long-term financial stability. Now let me talk to you about, is this plan feasible or simply political rhetoric? Economic analysts remain skeptical, asserting that it would be nearly impossible to replace income tax revenues solely with tariffs. Even as a conceptual idea, this discussion brings up crucial questions. How would we ensure continued funding for essential programs like Social Security, healthcare, and public education? Who would bear the financial burden under a consumption-based tax system? Your thoughts matter. Would removing income taxes simplify the system and increase take-home pay, or would it introduce more complications than benefits? Do you see the elimination of taxes on tips as a standalone policy for service workers, or as a stepping stone toward a complete tax overhaul? Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth discussions on economic and financial topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We're committed to bringing you the latest and greatest information to help you navigate benefits with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support our channel. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable content to empower you with the knowledge you need. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need this information. Until next time, take care and stay informed. We put in a lot of time, energy, and effort in putting the information together so you can make informed decisions. Thanks for joining me today. Take care, and see you next time.